Hi there, future billionaire. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a successful affiliate marketing business without building a website or building a blog. My name is Kukuletu, and I'm the founder and owner of Mailpreneur. Now, I shouldn't be giving you guys this content for free. I should be charging you for all these secrets that I'm about to reveal. But I've been in the business for far too long and I haven't given back to the community. And I really appreciate you guys. So to support me, all you need to do is to subscribe to the channel and make sure that you smash that like button. Also leave a comment below. Now let's get started then. Back in the days when we used to do affiliate marketing, this is how we used to do affiliate marketing. All you needed to do was to join an affiliate program, promote the offer, and then earn affiliate commissions. It was that easy, but now the market has become saturated and things have become more complicated and people are no longer buying into anything. So you need to be creative. And then someone came up with a solution that we should do email marketing. And this is how affiliate marketing took another step. So what we would do was to create an email marketing campaign to make sure that we can convert each and everyone who comes to our marketing funnel. So today I'm going to give you 3 different ways that you can use to build a successful affiliate marketing business without a website or a blog. And the first strategy we're going to look at is email marketing. So to do email marketing, the first thing that you're going to need is a free giveaway. The free giveaway doesn't have to be lame or low quality. Make sure that it's top quality and it catches attention. Something like, let's say you're in the weight loss niche, something like the secret to losing 10 pounds in 7 days without doing any exercise. That will grab a lot of people's attention and they'll definitely opt into your squeeze page and join your email list. So make sure that you come up with a catchy title and make sure that your freebie is valuable. Just because it's free doesn't have to be lame and fluffy. Make sure that it's jaw-dropping and it offers a ton of value. That way, you'll be able to convert a lot of people into affiliate buyers. But if you just do what everyone else is doing and just keep sending people straight to your affiliate offers, then you won't see great commissions. And then when affiliate marketing took another step, people started to send people from, this is the traffic, this is your audience. We would send them to a squish page. And then from the squeeze page, we'll send them emails about the offer. Maybe around 5 emails in a period of 5 days. We would send them to the affiliate offer. That would work, but it also stopped working because it wasn't adding any value to the audience. And the audience would see that all we were doing was to send them one affiliate offer after another affiliate offer. So a lot of people would unsubscribe from our email lists. And then someone came up with a product launch formula. His name is Jeff Walker. So in this case, what you do is to get traffic and then give the traffic a freebie. Make sure that the freebie is top quality. And then when they arrive, when they get the freebie, you send them to a thank you page. That's where they download the free gift that you gave them. And then once they download the free gift, they become a lead. And now once they become a lead, you send them a series of tutorials. It's basically 3 tutorials. These tutorials have to be related to an affiliate offer that you're going to promote. So let's say your affiliate offer is about losing belly fat. Video 1 could talk about 6-pack exercises. Video 2 could talk about the food that you need to eat. Video 3 maybe about a certain type of tea that you need to drink to flatten your belly. The series will be in a period of 3 days. Each and every day you'll be sending them a different tutorial, preferably in video format. But feel free to use PDF, but I would prefer that you use videos. And then day 4, that's when you tell a story. When you tell a story, you tell them how a certain product helped you have a flat belly. or you can tell somebody else's story about how the product that you're about to promote changed someone's life and now they have a flat belly or they lost weight or anything like that. And then once you finish telling your story, you send them to the affiliate offer. And then you send them maybe 3 different emails related to the offer. And then you stop. And then you do the same thing for another product. You send them 3 different videos. You tell a story again about how the product helped you succeed in whatever niche that you're in. Every time you promote an affiliate product, you make sure that you give them a series of tutorials that are related to the affiliate offer. This is the system that is working for 2019. You can no longer send people straight to the affiliate offer and expect a lot of commissions. That way, you do get sales, but the sales will be very, very low, and a lot of people will unsubscribe from your list. The next strategy that you need to use is Facebook groups. When it comes to Facebook groups, I would encourage that you create your own Facebook group. Don't use other people's Facebook groups, because one thing that I've noticed is that whenever you answer a question, if the admin of the group comes and answer the question, even if they quote your response, they will still get a lot of engagement more than you. So that's why you need to build your own community. Make sure that when you build a community, you build something that is a question and answer or a discussion board. You don't want to build a community whereby people post URLs to their blogs, to their YouTube videos, and promote their affiliate offers. Those type of groups don't work. You need to build a discussion board, and then once in a while, you post your affiliate links. You should be the only one who can post affiliate URLs in your group, and that's how you create a lot of commissions. All you need to do is to make sure that there are groups related to whatever that you're promoting. Let's say you're in the weight loss niche. What you don't want to do is to title your group weight loss. Facebook will shut down that group as fast as it was created. What you need to do is to be smart and use maybe paleo hacks or alkaline diet for losing weight and stuff like that. So what you need to check, let's go to groups. What you need to check is to make sure that there are groups that have more than 10K members in whatever niche that you want to join. If the groups have less than 10K members, then just know that the niche is not going to work. But if there are groups that have more than 10K members, then it will definitely be a good niche to start a Facebook group on. As you can see, Alkaline has 13K, 24K, 23K. So it is a popular niche, and people do spend time talking about alkaline on Facebook. You can also start your group if you are in the weight loss niche. Another strategy that you can use to build a successful affiliate marketing business is Instagram. When it comes to Instagram, you're going to have to use influencers. You need to collect a couple of accounts that are related to your niche. If you are in the, let's say you are in the weight loss niche, what you're going to do is to find what you're going to do is to find influencers that have accounts that are related to weight loss. This is not an influencer account. What you need to do is to get accounts that have from 100K up to 500K when you're just starting out. Let's say fitness. Fitness meals. Let's check out fitness meals. As you can see, 2 million. You want to avoid this type of accounts because they won't even respond to your emails. What you need to find accounts that have at least 100K to 500K. Someone like this. Just contact this person, tell them that you would like to purchase a post on their Instagram account, and they'll give you a price, and then you simply pay that price. Now, what you need to do is to create your own Instagram account and run a contest on this account. You also have to give them the content. You tell them that they should run a contest that is something like, let's say you're in the fitness niche. What you need to do is to get them to post a message that goes something like, if you want the secret to losing 10 pounds in 7 days without doing any exercises, follow, let's say your name is Fitness Guru, and then they will say, follow at Fitness Guru. And whenever people follow you, you send them a free gift. Make sure that you also have a couple of posts in your account so that people can engage with your brand. Because if you don't have content, what's the use of people following you? You need to make sure that you have content. That's how you do affiliate marketing without a website or a blog. Let's recap. The first strategy is to use email marketing. This is the best strategy, and it will work far better than any other strategy. A lot of people always say that email marketing is dead. Email marketing is not going anywhere. Just as long as big companies such as Netflix, Amazon, or PayPal still require an email, email is not going anywhere. So if someone is giving you their email, just know that you already have a personal connection with them, because nowadays emails are no longer used for chatting and catching up with friends. They are only used for important stuff and valuable information and private stuff. So you definitely have a personal connection with them. Email is not going anywhere, and email is powerful. And then the next strategy is Facebook. Make sure that you create your own Facebook group, and then make sure that it's a discussion board where people come in, ask questions, and then you answer their questions, and just build a community. And then finally, the third way is to use Instagram influencers. Just make sure that the influencer that you use is highly related to the product that you'll be promoting as an affiliate, and it's highly related to your free gift. Make sure that you have a free gift for people to follow you on Instagram. And then once you have obviously, as these influencers keep recommending your account will also grow to 100K or even more. And then once you are at 100K, then you no longer need to pay anyone or an influencer. You are already an influencer. So you go to these influencers and tell them that you want to exchange promotions. So they promote you and you promote them back. That's how you will reach your 2 million mark. And then once you've reached your million, then you can contact the other accounts like this one, Fitness Meals. And then you can tell them that you want to exchange promotions, and they'll definitely listen to you because now you're an influencer. And that's it, guys. I hope you found the content valuable. Now, since you watched till the end, I have a bonus tip for you. A lot of people are visual learners. Visual learners always rely on stuff like videos. And the best platform to post videos is YouTube. Although growing a YouTube channel can be a lot tougher than building an email list or a Facebook group or an Instagram account, it is also very powerful for building an affiliate marketing empire. You don't need a website. You don't need a blog. You just need to keep posting videos on YouTube. And to grow a YouTube channel very fast, you need to use YouTube ads. YouTube ads are very cheap because you pay like a penny for one view. So it's really easy to grow your channel. And you also need to learn about YouTube SEO. And that's totally easy. To learn about YouTube SEO, all you need to do is to go to YouTube and type YouTube SEO tutorial, maybe say 2019. And you'll find someone like Brian Dean. He's a really good educator, and I trust his content. And Miles Beckler is also good at YouTube SEO. Neil Patel is just lucky. I don't trust his content. Let me see who else. Let me see. Yes, this guy also knows his stuff. And actually it's two of them. They run income school. And who else? And they also teach affiliate marketing. You can also check them out. And who else? Yeah, those are the three so far. So it's Brian Dean, it's Miles Beckler, and Income School. So it's really easy to learn YouTube SEO, and it's not that complicated at all because it's all about monetizing the title, the description, and getting the best tags. That's it. And making sure that your watch time is really high. And that's it for doing affiliate marketing without a website or building a blog. Finally, please, as you can see, I'm not charging anything for this valuable content. This is not something that you can find with a simple Google search. So this content is really valuable and I'm not charging you anything. So to support me, I simply ask you to smash that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that YouTube can notify you every time I upload a new video. I'll see you again with another video tomorrow. I'll be uploading videos on a daily basis, so make sure that you don't miss any of the videos. I just want to show you that this is the best time to start an online business because, as you can see, studies show that over 350 million jobs worldwide will vanish by 2030. Another study shows that 47% will be gone within the next 50 years. And 1.4 million jobs in the US will be gone in the next 8 years. So this is the perfect time to start a business. You know, sometimes not taking a risk is the biggest risk you can take. If you are looking for an affiliate business, but you are too busy or you don't know where to start or you need more info about affiliate marketing business, then go to mailpreneur.net/start. And that's where you'll get an affiliate marketing business in a box. Everything's already built for you. All you do is change the links and use your affiliate link so that you get paid. And that's it, guys. I'll see you again tomorrow. Cheers.